Hello from Slovenia again. I have some scrape of black paint. It has some shimmer, I don't know where from which pour I have this. And I have some primary colors in my squeeze bottles. I have primary yellow, primary magenta and primary cyan. Those are three primary colors. And I have pearl white in my squeeze bottle too. And I will go with another kind of beginner's technique. If you are a beginner, balloon dips are definitely one thing that you can try. So I will use this balloon. It's a Halloween balloon. So I will pour some base coat, some of this base coat on my canvas. You don't want a whole lot of base coat when you do your balloon dips. It shouldn't be, you know, a thick layer of a base, because it can eat your colors that you will use with the balloon. And what I will do just maybe some puddles here for one flower, and I will not just dip it, I will dip the balloon and drag it. So I will start with some pearl white. I will do a puddle here, 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 here. Kind of like that. And then I will add some cyan blue. And pearl white again. Some magenta. Oops. And some yellow. Okay. And now I will grab a balloon, dip it down and drag it. You know, it will be kind of dip and drag. So let's see. Don't like it, so I will just go once more, and I don't like it either. Yikes! Since I don't like that, so it will be a beginner technique. I will grab a paper napkin and I will just try to kind of swipe this and go once more. I will spray it with water a little bit. And I will have kind of a weird negative space probably now, but let's see. Now I will do it here, because I have this stuff here. I will do just 1, 2, 3, 4 puddles. Let's try once more. here is a close-up. When something doesn't work, you can always try something else. And I really like the end result. Maybe I just have to touch this a little bit because it was a little weird. But I really like it now. I like this bottom part. I will definitely go with one just to do it like that because I like it. I like those little ones. I didn't like the big ones, so I just go again and again in a different way. That's why the fluid art, my hands are shaking today. It's so much fun because you can just explore and play and be creative. I like this three because one looks like a butterfly and this one is like a fairy or something. And this part here is just gorgeous. Have to do one just like that. Just with some, you know, this bottom part. Maybe without those three, but I'm still happy with this painting anyway. So I said it will be a beginner technique, but that's how it is. But I like it, that's why I really wanted to show you anyway. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.